When you hear the name Micromax, you probably think of smartphones, a company that once challenged Samsung in India, a company that disappeared from headlines as Chinese brands took over. But this week, Micromax did something that is far more important than just launching another phone. It became the first Indian company to manufacture enterprise-grade SSDs locally. The kind of storage used inside AI data centers, cloud infrastructure, banks, telecom networks, and mission-critical enterprise systems. And that by itself is a much bigger story than it sounds, because this is about whether India can move beyond assembling electronics and actually start building the technologies that power the AI economy. Before we take a deeper dive into the story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, Micromax and Taiwanese semiconductor company Phison Electronics have created a joint venture called MiFi Semiconductors. Together, they have started manufacturing enterprise-grade SSDs from Greater Noida. This makes MiFi the first Indian company to locally manufacture enterprise SSDs. Now, that may not sound revolutionary until you hear this. Only and only a handful of companies globally have the capability to build enterprise-grade SSD solutions. We are talking about names like Samsung, Micron, SK Hynix, Kioxia, Western Digital, and a few others as well. This is one of the most demanding segments of the semiconductor value chain. And India, ladies and gentlemen, has just entered that race. What is interesting is that India is not building NAND flash memory itself. The actual memory wafers still come from global fabs. The breakthrough is somewhere else. Phison is one of the world's leading designers of NAND flash controllers. Think of the controller as the brain of the SSD. The memory stores the data. The controller decides how the data moves, how fast it moves, how reliably it moves, how securely it moves. That is where most of the engineering complexity sits. And through this partnership, India is getting access to precisely that expertise, which is why this story matters. It is not simply manufacturing, it is technology transfer. For years, whenever people discuss semiconductors, the conversation immediately went to fabs. TSMC, Intel, Samsung, hundreds of billions of dollars in picture. Advanced lithography, extreme ultraviolet machines. But semiconductor ecosystems are much larger than fabs. You have chip design, you have controllers, you have packaging, you have testing, storage system, embedded systems, power electronics, AI infrastructure. India's semiconductor strategy increasingly appears to be targeting these higher value layers first. Now, instead of waiting 10 years to build a complete fabrication ecosystem, India is building capabilities around design. They are building it around packaging, electronics manufacturing, and system integration. MiFi fits directly into that very strategy. Here's the bigger opportunity, viewers. The global NAND memory market is enormous, and AI is accelerating demand. Every new data center needs storage. Every AI deployment needs storage. Every enterprise transformation project creates more data. India is simultaneously building AI infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, data centers, digital public infrastructure, and semiconductor manufacturing capabilities as well. These trends reinforce one another. Today, MiFi is talking about enterprise SSDs. Tomorrow, it wants to expand into automotive, telecom, and mobile memory products as well. The ambition is much larger than a single product category. Perhaps the most fascinating part about this story is the company behind it. For years, Micromax was seen as a smartphone company that lost the consumer battle. But what if the future of Indian technology companies isn't consumer brands? What if it's deep tech infrastructure? Because the margins, the intellectual property, the strategic importance, and the long-term value creation increasingly sit inside critical technology infrastructure, not necessarily inside consumer gadgets. Micromax may have quietly found a much bigger market. Here's a front page take on this, ladies and gentlemen. For years, India's technology ambition was measured by how many smartphones we assembled. Today, that conversation, that script is changing. Can we build AI infrastructure? Can we build semiconductor ecosystems? Can we build the technologies that power the digital economy itself? MiFi's enterprise SSDs won't make as many headlines as a new smartphone launch, but they might matter a lot more. Because the next phase of India's technology, it may be a story about infrastructure powering the AI systems behind them. And this week, India just took another step in that direction. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.